In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the right click setting on your Mac, and what this will do is it will allow you to right click as you would on a Windows PC, laptop, anything like that, just by clicking in the bottom right or top right of your trackpad. Because by default on Mac, what it will need you to do is double click with two fingers in order to do the right click, what you would do usually on Windows. So to change this, what you can do is come to the Apple icon in the top left hand corner. Click on that and then you will need to select System Settings. Once you select System Settings, as you can see, you will have all these options here, and the one we need in today's video will be Trackpad. Select the Trackpad option, and if you come to Secondary Click, this means right click. So what you can do is, what it will do if I click on click with two fingers, this is what it will do, and this is what it will be set at when you first get your MacBook. And if you want to change it, if you come over from Windows and you don't like the two finger click, and you just want to click in the bottom right hand corner, you can come down, click on this, and then as you can see on the demonstration in the bottom right hand corner, it will just allow you to right click. So it's just a simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.